fellow Finance 120. My name is Benny Gomez and I will be your presenter today. My team consists of...
Hi, I'm Ra Hurtado.
I'm Benny Gomez.
Hi, I'm Jean Osborne.
Our team was assigned $100,000 to invest in stocks along with an additional $100,000 purchasing power. Wisely managed $200,000 of buying power in this stock market. This report addresses our investment philosophy, investment companies, investment goal, implementation of strategy, Excel spreadsheets, and lessons learned. For this assignment, we can buy, sell, buy on margin, and sell short on the New York Stock Exchange, Amex, and NASDAQ. Common stocks that are trading $5 or more. The investment philosophy we chose was constantly conservative. When our group first met, we did not really know anything about the stock market. It was intimidating to manage that much money. Since none of us were experienced with stock investment, as a group we decided to be conservative, which was not to buy risky stocks but more conservative ones. We wanted to find stocks that have slight risk with potential growth. Being conservative means to preserve our investment portfolio's value as a priority by investing in lower risk stocks. Our team has risk tolerance ranging from low to moderate. Conservative strategy and an investment strategy that aims to grow investment capital over the long term. This strategy focuses on minimizing risk by making long-term investments in companies that show consistent growth over time. Now I'll talk about investment companies. After choosing to be conservative, the next step was to search for companies that match our philosophy. We conducted this search using Yahoo Finance, which offers financial information on stocks, bonds, mutual funds, etc. We wanted to invest our money in big companies with solid reputation, dependable earnings, and constant growth. We also use barchart.com as another resource to conduct our research. From experience, barchart.com is a great website because it lists a very detailed and variety of information of stocks all 52 weeks. Buying and selling stocks were decisions made as a group. Every time before buying and selling, we communicated on Google Hangouts to express different opinions and eventually reached an agreement. Here's a record of the purchasing we did. Week 1 was the start of Stocktrak. We didn't buy anything this week. This week we used to research. Week 2, we ended up buying LinkedIn, Starbucks, Google, Apple, and Royal Dutch Shell. Week 3, we bought Alarm.com, American Campus, ARG, and Johnson & Johnson. Week 4, we bought Cabot Corporation. Week 5, we did not buy anything. Week 6, we bought Yahoo, Microsoft, Getty Realty Corporation, and The Children's Place. Week 7, we bought Phillips 66. Week 8, we bought Intel, Healthcare, Trust of America, Echo Brands. Week 9, we decided to buy CenterPoint Energy and Symantec. Our investment goal was originally to achieve 8% return at the end of the simulation. We did this by investing in companies at a beta of lower than 6.5. The market rate is considered to be at beta at 1.0. High beta stocks are considered to be riskier but have the potential for higher returns. Lower beta stocks pose less risk but also lower returns. By completing this assignment as a team, we hope to learn to better invest in stocks for future reference, be more familiar with Excel's functions, and more importantly, develop teamwork skill. Our team met at least 1 hour on a weekly basis to check on how the stocks were doing and decide whether to buy or sell the stocks. At the end of the assignment, we all agreed to have definitely achieved these team building skills that are crucial in the workplace. The spreadsheets we created consist of a weekly log, weekly portfolio evaluation, stock list, raw graphs, and the data. We also realized that Excel is a very important tool to keep track of all the information in the finance and accounting industries. Research in this simulation was necessary to begin this assignment. We did this by learning about the stock investment and to see which can be risky and unpredictable, but the assignment at least prepared us for how to invest. The prices of stocks fluctuate constantly, therefore we paid close attention to the market on a daily basis. Stock prices change every day as a result of market forces. By doing this, we mean that share price change because of supply and demand. Understanding supply and demand is easy. What is difficult to comprehend is what the price movement of us indicates what investors feel about a company is worth. Don't equate a company's value with the stock price. The value of a company is its market capitalization, which is the stock price multiplied by the number of shares outstanding. For example, a company that trades at $100 per share and has 1 million shares outstanding is worth $100 million. To further complicate these things, the price of stock doesn't reflect the company's current value. It also reflects the growth that investors expect in the future. As our investment goal of 8% return, we eventually achieved 8.2% return with a portfolio value of $180,198.18. The highest return was our Royal Dutch Shell company at 15.57%. Our implementation of our strategy was to be conservative since the very beginning. The decisions we made regarding what stocks to purchase were constant reflections of our philosophy. One of the decisions was made was to purchase stocks from Google. It is worth exploring the company's balance sheet and outlook to get a sense of what's going on with the internet giant. We did research and found that considering the recent underperformance of Google, which shares slightly in the red over the last 12 months versus a closer look at Google seems to indicate that stock is ready to bounce back after taking a breather and that Google is fairly valued while many tech stocks are in the bubble territory. Lessons learned throughout the project. Stocktrak was learned a few lessons from completing this assignment. First lesson was we learned the stock market is not as simple as we thought, where investors have to constantly monitor not only the prices but also news, reputation, and possible lawsuits of the company. Before investors should conduct sufficient research in order to make decisions. The second lesson we learned was the importance of time management. We should update and keep track of our stock information on a weekly basis instead of searching and combining them at the end of the semester. It took us long to go back and put things together, all the things together. The third lesson we learned was to respect and understand your teammates. We believe a successful team was having members trust and help each other so that we can move forward toward the same goal. Overall, I think our team collaborated and performed well. For not having any financial experience whatsoever, we were able to rank 64th out of the 344 teams of this simulation. I hope you enjoy this presentation. My name is Benny Gomez, and that is our presentation.